Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So you found this video because you want to know how to unlock all cars in Driving Empire. I'm going to be showing you in this video the best Driving Empire codes in 2025. You can not only get all cars for free, but you can also get free money as well. So these are the best working codes, and I spent a long time searching for these Driving Empire codes. So I recommend you follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. It does take a few minutes, but this is going to get you not only all cars, this is also going to get you tons of free money in Driving Empire. So as you can see, I've got my mobile phone here. You can ignore these codes, guys. I've tried all of them. Most of them don't even work, and if they do, they give you hardly anything. But what you're going to want to do is basically use your mobile phone internet and go to www.coldcoupons. So just type it like this, coldcoupons.com. This is a codes website that I found, guys. By far the best codes website. All of the codes on here are valid and verified working. So what you're going to want to do is use the search bar and just type in there Driving Empire. And if you can actually spell, this is the code you need to find. This is a page of Driving Empire codes. This is a really popular page as well. You can see it's over 78 people are using it today. Really highly rated codes. There's only 2 codes at the minute, but they're both awesome. This is a Driving Empire code that's going to get you 10 million free cash, so that is absolutely awesome. And this is a Driving Empire unlock all cars. So this is going to get you every single car in Driving Empire up to the date you use the code. So if you use the code now and you want, and there's more cars that are released, you can literally come back, grab this code, and it's going to get you the new cars. So this is going to get you every single car in Driving Empire for free. And this is the easiest and fastest method to do this, guys, because this is just a simple Driving Empire Roblox code that you can redeem in game. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is unlock your code, because these are limited codes. This prevents people from stealing basically all of the codes. I've already done it, and I've already got all the cars, so I don't want to waste a code. But what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on get full code there, and you're going to see a new screen, and there's going to be some instructions telling you how to unlock your code. It does take about 5 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering you are getting every single car. But yeah, complete a couple of tasks, follow the instructions, your code will be revealed. You can redeem it in Driving Empire, and that is how to get all the cars in Driving Empire, and it is completely free as well. So you can also get free money. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go to Cold Coupons, just find the Roblox Driving Empire codes page here and select which code you want and enjoy. So hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.